Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a rich and delicious 20-minute eat special dessert, Rice Firni. This creamy milk-based sweet with rice, saffron and dry fruits is perfect for festive occasion and family gatherings. Take 1/4 cup Polao rice, soak for 10 minutes. Wash well and drain the water. Rice-based desserts are popular in many cultures. Now pour the rice into a blender. And blend it coarse. Blend rice coarse, not too fine. Keep aside. In a pan, add 1 liter milk. Let it boil. Add half teaspoon cardamom and a few strands of saffron. Mix well. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world. Now add the blended rice into the milk. Keep stirring continuously. Cardamom adds a unique aroma to sweets. Keep stirring to avoid sticking or lumps. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the rice is cooked and the milk thickens. Add 1 teaspoon ghee, 1/3 cup sugar. Mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Add sugar after the rice is fully cooked. Remove from heat. Pour into serving cups. Milk desserts are commonly served during festival. Milk provides calcium and protein. Rice gives energy and makes the dessert filling. Garnish with raisin, pistachio and saffron. Dry fruits add healthy fats and nutrients. Homemade desserts are fresher and more hygienic. Your creamy special dessert is ready. Serve warm or chilled as you like. Try this festive recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more delicious dessert.